For today's video, we will mod this application, this game. So as you can see, when I try to get package to buy, so it didn't work. So I will use luckyputher to mod this app. So let's go to luckyputher and open it, then click no, then choose the game you wanted to mod, that the first one, then click the first one, then you scroll down and rebuild, then okay. As you can see, I have to buy this thing. Alright, when I try to buy it didn't work, so package failed. Alright, let's continue. Let me try again. It doesn't work, so wait till the end. Browse, then go back and uninstall the app. Once you uninstalling the app, you can go back to luckyputher and install your file or your game. Alright, so yes, then install, click install, then launch the game. Alright, so the app is starting royal match. Alright, so click agree. It's not about luckyputher, it's the game, you have to agree their privacy policy. Alright, then let me try to buy. Alright, let's buy. Alright, so click yes. As you can see, it's completed, so it's definitely work. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Alright.